time to use Airbnb here in Cebu, so want book a reservation just within the city and with a Superhost badge listing. They've said Superhost is really recommended for first-time user, due to they have enough experience being a host, and in order to keep their Superhost badge, they really need to take care the guest. This was the actual video going to the said place. It's really across SM Cebu City. This is their entrance. And this is what's inside. Spoon, fork, glass, etc. Induction stove. Extra water. Pan. Rice cooker and kettle. Refrigerator. Double deck. Aircon. 32 inches HD TV. Closet with hangers and towel. Balcony. Inside the bathroom, shampoo, conditioner, body soap, water heater, and it's really clean. Swimming pool, one for adults and the other one for kids. For kids, just above the knee, and this one for adult. It looks this way, and gym is on the left side. It's quite small. Review. Disadvantages. Gym and pool closed every Tuesdays for cleaning and maintenance concern, so if you booked it good for one night only and it's Tuesday, you cannot use the pool and gym. Gym not so big. You don't have enough space to move. Need to pay 100 pesos after 2 packs. If you were 4 on the said listing, you need to pay 200 pesos if you want to use the pool and gym. No pets allowed. Sometimes, we really want to bring our pets, especially for long-term reservations. No smoking. Some of your friends want to smoke in the balcony, but really not allowed. Double deck. Uncomfortable using the top. It seems not able to carry healthy person like me. Advantages. Host. She is friendly and responsive to any questions about the listing. Listing place. Matched the description, easy to find, easy to get inside, having fast internet, and felt right at home. They're not strict, as long as you have a proof that you were able to book a reservation and you have valid ID with you, you're good to go.
Nice.
They have 2 different types of swimming pool, one for adult and one for kids. It's only above the knee, so it's quite safe. Also, it's a good place for vlogging, especially dancing while on the pool.
Yeah, boy.
How to save or tipped tips, especially if you love cooking. You can bring the following below. Rice, since you can cook inside, so it's better to buy rice to cook. Cooking oil. If you love to cook fried chicken, just put the oil inside the bottle once done using it, to avoid messy in the area. Ingredients or spices. Especially, if you want a delicious dish, it's better to put more spices. Canned goods and frozen products. Since, having a refrigerator inside, so nothing to worry. Lastly, wipes or rugs. We really need it if we are cooking something. You can really save a lot if you have these, and you can easily buy these products at SM just across the street if needed. By the way, forgot to tell you that make sure to bring shampoo, soap, extra t-shirt, and towel before going to the pool. You're not allowed to go outside the premises if you're wet, especially the pool is located on the 6th floor, so it will take a lot of time if you're going back and forth. Lastly, price breakdown. You're not just paying 1,600 per night. You also need to pay service fee and cleaning fee. Cleaning fee to where the host need to pay someone to clean the place after you leave, and it doesn't mean that you've paid cleaning fee, you will just leave the place messy. Just a heads up, host can ask you additional charges if the host need extra time to clean or if you do some damages. Host has the right to ask you to pay those damages, so treat the place like your own. Keep it clean. Service fee. The reason why guests need to pay service fee is due to Airbnb offers 24/7 customer support, to where guests can report host, especially if listing doesn't match on the online description and other concern like refund, etc. Also, it will give you access to check multiple listings, so you have thousands of listings to choose from. So if you think it's worth it to stay, so why waiting? Go and booked it.